going on, guys? Today we're at Luke's shop. Say hey, Luke.
What's up, guys?
Today we're working on the MIATA, the Montego Blue MIATA. Right here we've got an ISR circuit spec exhaust. If you're familiar with MIATA exhausts at all, this is the loudest one you can basically buy that's not fully straight pipe. So I got a good deal on it. We're gonna be putting it on today. If you look at the car, we're back on stocks for now. I'm trying to figure out what kind of wheels I want to put on it. I got kind of tired of the Vors, so I don't really know what I should put on it. What do you think, Luke? What do you think I should put on it?
I'm a big fan of like work wheels and stuff. You know that.
I like reps.
I don't know if you're looking for 3-piece or something.
I'm
though.
thinking more of that budget rep lifestyle.
Okay, I mean, you have Cayushas on the other car, right?
Yeah.
Dang, I would say that, but
if it rolls, it's good with me. So reps roll. So.
True. Big Rhoda fan here, so probably something Rhoda is what I'd say.
Shackatons would be kind of cool.
Oh yeah, I like Shacks.
But I'll start it real quick. We'll get a stock exhaust clip. This thing is very quiet, and I think the cat is clogged, and it's got a rattling cat shield, so.
Come on, where's Lemmy?
So yeah, it's pretty quiet. Hopefully these header bolts, or these header down bolts on the cat come off somewhat easy. So we're gonna start cracking on this, and I'm gonna put Luke to work. So
Free labor,
all for a free chicken sandwich. But all right, we'll catch you in a minute. So we are currently in the middle of this. I got the cat bolt from the front undone. We got all the hangers out. We're gonna have to take this little cross member out because we can't feed it out. So we're about to hit it with the air gun and get this out of here. Get this nasty stock exhaust out of here so we can start popping and banging. We just got it installed. It's looking really good, stainless. It's tucked pretty well. This right here kind of sucks for when you go lower, but we're gonna start it up and see how it sounds.
That's nice.
That rumble's nice. We'll let warm up for a minute. Much more beta. Dude, I think this was a success. I need wheels so bad. What's up, guys? I didn't film an outro for the end of this video, so I got kind of caught up in the shop. But yeah, it was a quick and easy install. I honestly think that's the best exhaust route to go for a MIATA for the price. And when you get up there in like that $500-800 range, there's a lot of options, but a lot of them for the MIATA at least, because I've had the Cobalt, I've had the Racing Beat in that price point, and I think ISR does the best sound for the price. So if you're wanting, a loud, fun weekend car, or if you don't care about having a loud daily, I honestly recommend the ISR for your needs. But hopefully we're gonna get some new wheels on the Montego soon. I've got to do a clutch job, and I've got to put a new steering wheel in it. I've got a new steering wheel set up. We're gonna do a video on that, the hub, the quick release, and everything. Not too hard to install, but I want to wait until I get my new wheels on. So drop a like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know we're still kind of in the beginning of the whole YouTube thing, but the channel's grown significantly since the last time I made a video. We just hit 500 subscribers recently, and I appreciate everybody following, everybody who stays and watches till the end. It's really cool to do. So I appreciate all of you, and we'll see you in the next one.